Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this dark energy burst effect in Unreal Engine 4.27. Although this effect is one of my old effect, but I converted it to latest Unreal Engine and I really want to make a tutorial on this. So this will not be a tutorial from scratch, but I'll try my best to show you everything so you can create this with this tutorial. So let's start this. So you can see this effect here, and if I pause it somewhere like here, oops, what I'm pressing, this is how it looks. It's dark smoky effect. This look cool. It has these spikes. So this is the whole effect in Niagara. You can see it here. This is the whole effect. It has lots of elements, but mostly duplicated version, so nothing